Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below, so you can grab them if you like. Also, we both have Ko-Fi shops, which I will link. Let's get into today's video. I am going to set up my 100 envelope binder. Now, this is a savings challenge that Cassie poured her heart into, and it is so glamorous, so beautiful, and I said, I'm going to try it. I'm going to do it, but I figured out that the way that it's set up is not going to work for me, and that was another reason I wanted to really try this savings challenge. So let me open it up. So it does come with 100 plus cards here, which we will work on putting into these here. It comes with dashboards, and it comes with the front cover, back cover, and then also the sheet for you to keep track of how many envelopes you've completed or which envelope you've completed, because this is important because these little cards have different amounts. So this one, for instance, says 29, and this one says 65. So in this envelope, in this spot, you would save $65, and in this spot you would save 29. But let me show you what my plan is, and it's only because I, at this point, have such a low income. 6K is not even close to being a part of what I'm going to try to commit to. I just know my limitations in terms of my finances, what my extra funds or potential extra funds could be, and that's not going to be where it's at. But I wanted to give it a shot. I've given myself full permission to go as heavy and as hard as I can. And if I don't complete it, that's okay. Or if I need the funds, that's okay. There were a couple of different options of how I wanted to set this up and how I wanted to do this challenge. Okay, so I have a couple of ideas of how I'd like to complete this savings challenge or work on the savings challenge. I think it is very important for me to set realistic expectations. Sometimes we really want to do things right, and sometimes it works out for us to be able to do those things. Well, when you're working with a very low income, you have to really try not to break your own heart by trying to chase after these ideas and dreams or whatever that you see other people doing. Now, this is A5 size. It does come with the rings. However, you can put it into a binder if you'd like. I wanted to do this setup because I don't know, I really like the idea of this setup. So, and I don't know how I'm going to split up my my dashboards, but I know that I want to put them in there. So I went back and forth on whether or not it really mattered if they were in order, and I think I do want to do them in order. And okay, so let's back up here. Let's look at our dashboards. The first one says, each envelope you fill is a step forward. Small wins today become your big victory tomorrow. Keep going. Your breakthrough is already in motion. Every envelope is proof that you didn't give up. Even on the hard days, you're building something bigger than your struggle, your future. Woohoo! Okay, and these two actually say the same quote, but that's perfect because I will put one in the back, and then we will put this one in the middle. And when I say middle, I don't mean actually in the middle, just wherever it ends up. We'll put a couple sheets here. And then, how about we put a couple more here for a little motivation along the way. So let me just quickly tell you, I don't have a clue how this is all going to work out for me. I just know that this savings challenge is such a beautiful savings challenge that I could stay motivated to work on it, to complete it, to do whatever I've got to do. And so that's where I'm at with it. Now, I've mentioned that because I am low income, these numbers are not realistic for me, especially 100 of them, right? Like this one's $105, this one's $135. And I actually thought about doing the low income sum method, because then I can put this money towards my Christmas fund. this savings challenge. Look at it. Look at it. I know you see the oh, so pretty. Okay, I'm not going to try to put these in a specific order. I'm just going to put them in here because, like I said, each heart will be $1. And hopefully I can stop yapping and speed through this part. And I completely forgot that these are blank because there are a couple of the blank savings challenge cards, and you can set them in there if you'd like. And this is a $6,000 savings challenge, and like I said, 6,000 is not something that I'm working towards, but I know I need to save something, and I know that some of my goals can be met as long as I make adjustments to my savings challenges, and this is one of them that I wanted to try to work on. There are a few other that are in our shop also that you will see at some point, because saving is fun, and I like beautiful savings challenges. And I know that we are also working on other savings challenges that are not Melanin girls. And so then that way people who are not interested or this isn't their aesthetic, they can actually enjoy a different type of savings challenge. So that will be coming very soon, hopefully. Keep your eye out. All right, so we've got one more pack. If you do purchase this savings challenge, please tag myself and or I am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs in your video so we can check you out using it. Such a wonderful savings challenge. And this is what I meant by blank with no numbers. There's a few of them, and that way you can save 6,000 plus. So if, say, you want to save a little bit more money, however you'd like to do that, you can make those blank ones however much cash you'd like for it to be. Okay. All right, we've done it. We've gone ahead and set her up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. She's so gorgeous. I love it. And that was actually therapeutic. I was thinking, oh my goodness, that's a lot of cards to set up in these slots. But let's do a quick flip through, and you can set this up however you like. If you want your dashboards and whatever, and if you want to put it into a binder, if it's in an A5 binder, and so we've got our dashboards and then our cards, which I explained how I'd like to see these completed. But let me know if there are other ways that you would actually save. Would you put $1 in each spot? Would you put $5 in each spot? Would you follow along with $9? Or would you do the sum method where you add the numbers together? Like for instance, this savings challenge card right here is $135, but when you break it down, 1 plus 0 is 1, and then 1 plus 5 is 6, and 2 plus 0 is 2. Would you follow that sum method? What way would you actually do this savings challenge? Or for those of you who would just purchase it and go straight for the 6,000, please let me know. I have to see somebody saving $6,000 with this savings challenge. I am so excited to use it and for me to save whatever I can. But if somebody is saving 6,000, I have to see it. Some of these numbers are so high, I thought, oh, go. 135 in one spot, 135. And then there was another one, 105. Oh my goodness, right here, 110. These are 110 right here, just right here. That's wild to me. And imagine if you're like, well, I'm going to put 500 in the blank. I'm going to put 250 or some, you know what I mean? That one can be as high or as small, you know, low as you'd like for it to be. But anyway, that was one of the reasons why I wanted to try it, because these big numbers way out of my budget. But that doesn't mean I can't apply what works for me to these savings challenges that have the bigger goals. Beautiful savings challenges, once again, they motivate me so much. And I like pretty things, especially when I know, oh my goodness, I get to go back to it. I get to open it up and get to see, what am I doing? I don't know exactly how it's all going to work out for me. I just know that I need this savings challenge because it's so gorgeous and I want to save using it. Let me know, what are your ways that you're going to save? Even if you're not using the 100 envelope challenge, what ways are you going to save? I know going into 2026 with the economy the way that it is, we've got to figure out some good ways to actually save money and figure out how we're going to secure our future financially, especially because this is where, especially low income, we're shaking in our ski boots over here. Anyway, I hope that you all enjoyed this setup, and I will link this down below, as it is a gorgeous savings challenge, and I want to see everybody using it. Everybody who desires it, I want to see them using it. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.